Hello, this is me, Samantha, and I am coming to you in regards to credit acceptance and how to create a paper trail through credit acceptance. That you may be, with this being said, you can use your paper trail on any creditor, but we're going to focus on one particular creditor, credit acceptance. And once you establish a paper trail, you can use that paper trail if you're filing a complaint in Michigan Attorney General with your Attorney General in your state, or if you want to file a federal lawsuit. So I'm going to basically explain to you how you can do it. Once you start calling a credit acceptance and they start telling you that, your account is like this and your account is like that and everything, first thing you ask for is a payment history. Your payment history has to be, that's what I ask for. And everything that I'm telling you is stuff that I did to help me in my case that at to the point where it is where it's at now. First of all, I ask for a payment history. Payment history tells you basically how you've been paying, what they applied it on, and what did they apply on the interest and what did they apply on the principal. Now, the first year of your loan, most of your payments are applied to the interest of the loan, and then later on it's applied to the principal and the payoff. When you get that information, then what you do is you file a complaint with your Attorney General or with the Attorney General in Michigan, and you tell them that you're disputing it. You also dispute it with the 3 credit bureaus. How I did mine is that I went on Consumer Finance Protection and I filed a complaint with all 3 credit bureaus under that umbrella. So it went to all 3 credit bureaus, and all 3 credit bureaus told me when they got the answer what the credit acceptance said. If the answer is not what it is, check your credit too when you're asking for a payment history. Make sure that what they're posting as a payment history is the same correct information that is on your credit report. That's one big discrepancy that I found, because they hadn't posted 8 payments onto my payment history on my credit report, but they were posting certain things that I had paid on the payment history of the account. So those 2 things are off. Second of all, you want to also make sure that when you apply and ask for a payment history, and you also apply with the different agencies, credit acceptance is going to have to send them different information. So when you get it, you have to make sure that what they're sending other people is lining up with what they originally sent you. Again, if you do it the way you do it, you're going to get them caught up in their own inconsistencies, because the payment histories that they had sent me a year before that, they had the same timeline, same dates, and all of that was inconsistent with the stuff that they provided into the court or to the Attorney General. So that made my case stronger. Finally, you also want to consider this, that anytime a creditor cannot validate a debt, even though they have the contract, even if they cannot validate a debt, then under the Fair Credit Reporting Act and the Truth in Lending Act and the Fair Billing Act, they have to remove that off your credit. Now, can they put it back on? Sure, they can. But the more they put the inaccurate information onto your credit, the worse that you can sue them up under. And that's what credit acceptance did. And it started with the warranty. Now, again, let's talk about the warranty real quick. Anytime a company offer you a service agreement or a warranty, they have to have the following. They have to have the terms of the warranty. They have to have the contact of where that warranty is, who has ownership of the warranty. They have to tell you what does the warranty cover, what the warranty doesn't cover. How do you file a claim? What is your deductible? They have to tell you what happens if you does something to that is not covered with the warranty. If you had somebody that did some work that's not covered under warranty, they have to tell you that. They have to tell you the exclusions. They even have to tell you who it is if you want to arbitrate that type of warranty. When a lot of times when I did the investigation, I found out a lot of people didn't even have that. They got it from the dealer. But anytime you buy a service, you have to get a confirmation from a company saying that this warranty is ineffective. Okay. So I hope this video have some bearing on it. I hope it gives you some more information. And you can't say a warranty cover simple lubrication parts, because that's a lie. Whoever posted it on my thing said that, oh, it's just simple. It covers lubrication. No, it don't. It has to, certain contracts supposed to cover certain type of things. It may have covered what is the transmission, what is the engine, any other things. So it just can't say, oh, it's simple, it covers this. No, it don't. It have to tell you exactly what does it cover mechanically on that vehicle. And that's something that Credit Accepting doing. And if you ever notice that you don't see on their warranty thing an underwriter. Every insurance company, legitimate insurance company, has an underwriter where it tells you who underwrite the guidelines of all of this. So that tells you that Credit Acceptance is using bogus names of companies to do this, to get these warranties out on pre-existing condition cars that they already know about it. So if you have any questions for me, please email me. You can leave a link here or whatever, and I'll respond as quickly as possible. So I hope I cleared up a lot of misconceptions. And you know what? If you don't fight Credit Acceptance, yes, they will still be in business. Thank you so much. And have a great day and a Merry Christmas and a Merry 2019.